Hey everyone, welcome to the YouTube page. Decided to do a little bit of vlogging tonight. The weather's been so bad around here in Corpus. I finally had a chance to work on the back of Ecto, the 1962 Miller Meteor Hearse ambulance. I think it was both. Let's turn around. Finally got it swept out a little bit. Got it all cleaned up. I got some rust through here I'm going to have to really clean, but thank goodness I have a plate that'll cover it. Still got to finish the front floor pan. That floor pan's actually out of a 1959 Chevy Impala. So if anybody out there who owns a 59 through 62 Cadillac Hearse slash ambulance, that floor pan is almost identical to the car. I actually had to do the whole piece because it was rotted completely on both sides, but the tunnel was still good. So I just took the door off, I slid it in, put it down in one piece, and got it done. So tonight I took down the headliner, took it down. Hopefully, I got it, not hopefully, but I got it down in one piece and be able to make patterns out of it and recreate the headliner that was in the car. I'm gonna go black. Yeah, I think black headliner doesn't show much dirt, stuff like that. It's just nice, sleek, clean. I also am going to have to redo panels. I didn't have any of this interior stuff when I got the car. So yeah, that's going to be fun. But tomorrow, we're calling for another rainy day here in the coastal bend, so I'm going to finish welding up that, add the metal in the back, feather that out a little bit, and I'll probably start framing this in. Now, I'm not going to... This car did have jump seats in it. Unfortunately, I didn't get them when I got the car, and they're like $700 when you do find them. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit up my local pick and pull, and hopefully find something that's comfortable. I know there was, like in the '90s, there was a truck that had small fold-out seats in the back, and unless it was a Toyota, don't know. But I'm gonna look over there. I want to go a little modern seats, a little more comfort, because I plan to drive this car. It's not going to be something that I trailer everywhere. This car is going to be driven, to San Antonio for car shows local, charity events, stuff like that. So I'm looking forward to it. Keep, subscribe to my page. Keep liking it. I'm going to have more updates on props and stuff for this car, the RoboCop car, and my 68 olds, not to mention the haunted house stuff. Also, opening a store, so go over on Facebook, make sure to like Simply Next to New. I think we're going to open up a YouTube channel for it. I don't know just yet, but we're going to have like live auctions. We're going to have online stores, stuff like that. Really cool stuff that we find. And like I said, go check the page out. My fiance was over there. She's talking all about it. So I'm going to cut this little vlog, as they call it, short. Get back to work. I got some sweeping I want to do before I call it a night, before the rain starts to set in, get everything locked up and all that jazzy stuff. But thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the little button down there at the bottom, subscribe. You're not going to get any of the updates. You're just not. You can come back and search, but you know what? Might as well hit the button and get the updates, because I'm going to have some cool stuff coming. You're not going to want to miss it. Not to mention, I'm going to have video game restoration videos coming. The Eagle Moss Ecto 1, I subscribe to it. I got issues 1 and 2. I'm gonna post those on here, and some other like tool restorations and stuff like that. So again, till next time, like, subscribe. See you later, man.